Hi, everybody. Today I will talk about another way of trading horizontal levels. It is known as a break and retest method. I'm still going to use back the same tool which I used in the past, the zigzag indicator. Again, I need to emphasize, please don't trade off this indicator. It repaints quite a lot, in fact. So I'm just using this to help me spot levels that I can trade off. So today I'm using zigzag to actually help me mark off horizontal levels, the highs and the lows of it. That's for easier visualization. So what again is the break and retest method? Using whichever method you like to mark off a horizontal level, price can actually, once price actually break out of that particular level, as you can see here, we hope to see price actually retesting the same level. So once price does that, we would, at the same time, we want to see a reversal price action at the same area. And according to your strategy and the reversal price action that you actually trade, you can actually contemplate on jumping in. Because when there's a break and retest, you can almost ensure that there will be a cyclicity, the start of a cyclicity already. So this is actually one of the earliest way to actually jump into a trend. So from here we can see that compared to previous high, we already have a higher high. And when price bounce off the same level, we also have a higher low. So this is a complete one cycle. And it's very clean. You can actually start trading here. If it actually meet the requirement of your strategy. So again, for an uptrend, we always want to mark the high. So again, we can see that price break. This is also a reversal candlestick that bounces off the same level. So this is something that we can possibly trade off. And then followed by price is possibly going to sort of a range. We can see from here. And change our horizontal level to match it. You can again see that price broke. So this is a very, very bullish bar. Then came back and retest multiple times. You can see from here. So whether how you trade it is also depending on the strategy that you have. So let me revise the level. So you can see that price effectively goes into a range already, and then price break downwards. Now, break and retest does not occur every time. So in this sense, you can see that price actually broke and didn't come back for any retest anymore. So it doesn't mean that break and retest will always occur in a trending chart or a ranging chart. This is also another break and retest method is also something that we need to wait for patiently to happen. So let's look at another chart. This is the dollar Swiss, very nice uptrend. So you can see that what happens in the past, price broke this level, we can have a higher high compared to a previous high, and this is a higher low compared to previous low. And price actually bounced off very beautifully. Again, depending on the reversal price action that you trade. So once price make a high for an uptrend, we can always mark out with a horizontal level already. So to trade a break and retest, we will try to mark the most recent high and the most recent low. The low being for a downtrend. So you can see that price broke, came back for a retest. Very nice. So then you make a high. You can see that price broke. Very nice retest. And then subsequently makes a new high. And then price actually fell to a downtrend. So we don't have any retest here, but this will still be a relevant level that we mark out to see if it does test in the future. It does not actually give us a test and it break above. And then it makes a lower high. So we can actually revise our levels to see to constantly match. So like I mentioned, for a downtrend, we always mark the low, not the high. For uptrend, we mark the high. For downtrend, we mark the low. So you can see that price broke, came back for a very nice retest. This is also one of the reversal candlesticks that I trade. Then price actually become really messy around here. So again, we'll try to match what price does. Levels of the past, price actually pretty much respected, nicely done. Then price goes into a range, and then it actually fell. This is actually a retest. So depending on where you put your entry and stop loss, you might or might not get triggered. And then price actually fell down all the way. So this is a break and retest method. So this is something that you can actually include in your trading arsenal. Yeah, again, I emphasize it does not happen often, but it's worth waiting out for, because when it works out, it actually works out pretty beautifully. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you did learn something. Goodbye.